Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by PHP Solutions team. I am Sanjay. We are learning WordPress basics tutorial for beginners and this is our part 11. In this video session guys, we will see that how many types of page builders actually WordPress provide as a free. And also guys, if you are a beginner to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our previous video sessions to get the clear concept about WordPress basics tutorial. So basically guys, in our previous video session we have installed called Site Origin Page Builder, which is provided by WordPress as a free. So if we go to our installed plugin list, as we can see that inside this list we have a plugin called Page Builder by Site Origin. So this is the plugin guys so far we have installed as a free provided by WordPress. So if we want to increase the functionality of widgets, functionality of Page Builder called Site Origin, so for that, along with this plugin guys, next plugin we have to install called Site Origin Widgets Bundle. This will actually increase some of the widgets for this plugin. So far we have installed, this is called the free version of our WordPress Site Origin Page Builder. So apart from this plugin, what other plugins we have to install as a free page builders in WordPress? So we have a list. So if you go to editor, if I move to second slide, and now here is the list. In the first parameter guys, as we can see that this is called Site Origin Page Builder. In the second position we have Live Composer Page Builder. We have also pro version of this plugin called Visual Composer. In the third position guys, we have called Viewer Builder. Actually WordPress provides its light version. If you want to actually buy its pro version, then pro version of this plugin also available to WordPress repository or to its official website of this Viewer Builder. Now next, at the fourth position guys, we have a page builder called Elementor Page Builder. This is also WordPress provided by our free page builders. So if you go to the official website of WordPress, now this is the plugin guys so far we have installed called Page Builder by Site Origin. So apart from this, we have three other links called Live Composer. This is another page builder provided by WordPress as a free. Its name, something has the value called Page Builder Live Composer Drag and Drop Website Builder. So this is alternative way to make our page builders pages to our WordPress setup. Now next, what we have called Viewer Builder. This is another plugin guys we can install and make our pages by using these page builders. These plugins are guys awesome to make our pages like our pro websites. Now next, we have called Elementor Page Builder. This is the plugin guys we need to install and make our pages as attractive as the plugin is. These plugins are guys basically are free versions. So if you want to suppose buy its pro version, we just contact to its official website right here. By going through this official websites guys, we can buy its pro version, which basically contains all the functionality it will define. So now this is another pro version website of this Viewer Builder, and this is for the Elementor. So if you go to our Live Composer, if we want to buy its pro version, so just we have to contact with this official website. Now if we are going to our WordPress setup, we need to install all these plugins and use one by one in our upcoming videos. So clicking on Add New. Right now we have only Site Origin. Next we are going to install all these three plugins as we have seen. So let's install called Live Composer first. So this is Live Composer. It will automatically find inside WordPress repository. And now as we can see that here we have Page Builder Live Composer. So I'm clicking on Install now. And as we can see that it is installing. So successfully guys, we have installed Live Composer to our WordPress setup. Now next we are searching for our Viewer Builder. So let's say Viewer Builder. It will find also in the WordPress repository for its free version. And now as we can see that this is the plugin. Just I'm clicking on Install now. And as we can see that it is installing now. Also we have successfully installed called this builder. Next we are going to search about Elementor. So let's say Elementor Page Builder. It will find also inside WordPress repository. So now this is the plugin. So clicking on Install now. Successfully as we can see that this is also installing. So let's open up our installed plugin list. As we can see that it is also successfully installed. So if you go to the installed plugin list, scroll down, and now as we can see that this is Viewer Builder Lite version. Also this is Elementor And also if I scroll down, this is our called live composer. So let's say that guys, first of all we are going to use call the Elementor page builder. So I'm going to activate that one by one guys. Actually we will use all these actually installed plugins in our upcoming videos. So we have successfully activated our, and I think we have some error. No, there is no error. So actually it has not been installed. So again click on activate. So as we can see that guys, successfully Elementor plugin is installed successfully, and now here is a button called Go Pro. So if I clicking on this link, it will go to the official website to buy its pro version. So basically these are the links guys actually they provided, the WordPress developers provide, or the plugin developers provides to go its pro version. So now we have successfully installed and activated our Elementor page builder plugin. So if you go to the page section, click on add new, and let's say that sample Elementor page. And as we can see that guys, by going to this page we have another button added inside this page called Edit with Elementor. This is added by button. Actually we have installed this plugin. So right now we have three options to develop this sample Elementor page. By going through this editor, by going through this page builder, either we can make it as simple as WordPress provides. So if suppose I'm clicking on this edit with Elementor, it will redirect to a new link, something here as I can see. Now inside this page guys, here it provides a toolbar right here inside our left sidebar, and now here is the something called drag and drop area. So if suppose we want to add some of the widgets inside this area, just we have to click on that, and let's say drag and drop here. It's not working guys because we have not added any area inside this widget section. So first of all we have to add some columns for that. So I'm clicking on plus button, and here we have to define some structure. So let's say that this is the structure we are going to define for this page. So click on that. After clicking on that guys, as we can see that we have two columns here where we can add some widget. Here we can add some widget. So let's add some of the widgets inside this area. So first of all I'm going to drag this text area, and now I'm going to drop here. So drag and drop this here. As we can see that this is the text we need to edit and save to this page. So after editing this page we have to just click on this publish button. So let's add some of the dummy contents to this page. So this is the Chrome extension I have added, which provides as rows and columns for the dummy contents. So I'm going to remove all these contents and paste it here. So basically these are the contents. So if I just going to this panel, let me resize that. If I format these tags, so let me make that, just I'm going to make it as a bold, something it will be underlined. So these are the things that we have made successfully, and now as we can see that this is the preview for our editor. So let's resize that, clicking on publish button. So successfully we have made some of the dummy contents to this page. After updating these contents guys, if I click on outside of this area, just I am clicking on outside that, and now as we can see that the toolbar comes again. So let's resize that. Suppose if we want to add some of the image to this page, so let's say that image, and I'm going to add to this second column. So I'm going to drag, and instead of the inner section, let's say image, so just drop here, and we have to choose some images from our WordPress setup. So click on that, it will redirect to our media section. Let's select this image, click on insert media, and this is the image that we have inserted. So again if I click to update, we have another multiple settings to customize this image setting. So we have actually inserted two columns. Inside two columns we have inserted some dummy contents and one of the image. So after updating that, if I go to our pages section, scroll down, and this is the plugin guys. This is the plugin page that we have developed by using Elementor page builder. This is the suffix actually added by the plugin itself to the created pages by using that page builder. So if I click on this view link, just open up in a new tab. And as we can see that we have designed sample Elementor page by using Elementor page builder. So this is awesome. This is the me text and this is image. So basically guys, we have multiple widgets actually we can drag and drop inside page to make our page. So basically guys, by the help of this video session actually we understood that WordPress, how many types of page builders it freely provides to its WordPress repository, and now these are the list. So according to your website, you can use these page builders to develop your pages. So basically guys, if you have any doubt in this video session, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.